Paradise is a place that's far from home. And lately all I ever see is everything I've ever known.
Lately I've been dropping ecstasy. Never done it, but I tried it just to see. Chasing freedom like I'm running out of youth. Ask myself what makes me happy, I can't seem to find the truth. People ask me what I do, I say that I'm chasing dreams. I know they just think I'm crazy, putting faith in make-believe. I don't blame them, cause some days I think the same. Like I've been wasting my time, but I don't got no time to change. I done cheated every time I've been in love. Chase the girl who doesn't care it all and hurt the one who does. I was raised to just forget about him, yeah, that's how I grew. Every year's a different state, every grade's a different school. Every couple years or so, that brought home a different mom. Brothers, sisters come and go, what the fuck's a family bond? I just wanna fly to anywhere but where we are. So take me away and take me higher, take me far, cause
Paradise is a place that's far from home. And lately all I ever see is everything I've ever known. Paradise is a place that's far from home. And lately all I ever see is everything I've ever known.
lately I've been dropping 2 at a time. It doesn't faze me now, I'm doing just fine. And as of lately I've been breaking the law, chasing this money I'm not making every day at my job. Yeah, that's the evil that'll kill this race. Nobody feeling safe, kids concealing face, sealing fates just to fill a safe. Robbing steal your vases while your face is in a pillar case. We in a gorilla state, chasing big gorilla state. Now we risking real stakes. Ain't no time to film mistakes, ain't no extra reels it takes. Tell me how much reels it take to stop the cinema and the sins you administer. Cause when it's finished, you'll see these minutes are just miniature. I tend to pop them when I'm kinda stressed, and I do not really mind the side effects. And I just wanna fly to anywhere but where we are. So take me away and take me higher, take me far, cause
made from that dream, all this grew from that seed. Pain comes from that beauty, right? So real is all that I bleed. Hate is all that I see. This world divided in 3. If my lyrics change the world, I swear this music's all I breathe. I took that pain, I let it out. It don't take control of me no more. Lately I've been MIA, back to work, right back from tour. Yeah, of course we took some L's, 1 L closer to a plaque. They told me to save my profits, I left back, invested that. All my peers took that diploma route. I took my Mac and notes and all my time devoted that to a vision they said wasn't near attainable, but odds were meant to be defied. Remember that we're coming now. Some of my old friends changed up, listening to all my old stuff, saying that this ain't us. Yeah, we all go through some searching, but somehow found this destination. Welcome to my journey, this was too belated.
Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move, that could be my last. All these horses in my car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash, put my pedal to the gas. Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move, that could be my last. I just pulled up in the Benz, it was just me and my mans. Fishbowl, no turn, scooping your hoe and her friends. Won't take that bitch to the movies, ain't got no love for the groupies. See back while she do me, she get wetter than jacuzzis. She don't go out like a green light. She get ran through like a red light. If the head right, then the bread right. Shorty know I be there every night. Rollin', rollin'. Whip A1 like steak sauce. 0 to 60, I take off. Can't see me looking like Ray Charles. They tell me slow down, I'm going too fast. Young nigga, I just wanna do the dash. I'm so reckless, hope I don't crash. Cause I'm rollin' like the whip stolen. Yeah, all these horses in my car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash.